75,000 Ugandan shillings. I did that in 2018. Even today, you will still pay the same amount that I paid 8 years ago, over 8 years ago. Okay? So, if you're from Uganda, that money can either be on your MTN number or your Airtel number. If you're from Kenya, you will need to use the pay bill process. Okay? So you can pay via M-Pesa or Airtel Money Kenya, but you pay to the pay bill number 40443, and the pay bill account name is BC. I repeat, the pay bill number is 40400 and 43, and the pay bill account name, we just type BC. And after paying, they will give you a reference code. Now that's for people in Kenya. So when they give you that reference code, now come back in your wallet and click on the word activate on your menu. So they will request you to type start to continue. So type start and click send. Now they will bring you a menu with 10 options. Now just type 9 if you're from Kenya. This works for only people in Kenya. Only people in Kenya are permitted to select option 9. If you're from Uganda, for you, your option is different, and I'm going to tell you. So let me finish with people in Kenya. So you type option 9 and you click send. They will simply ask you to enter your reference code. Now, type in that reference code that you got when you made a pay bill payment. Just put that reference code, paste it there, and click send. Your account will be activated immediately. Okay. Now, if you're from Uganda, pay attention. Let me first tell these people of Kenya the benefits. Now, after paying your subscription, they will give you your first commission. And your first commission will be 200 Kenyan shillings. They give it to you immediately. You make your account active. They will drop that commission on your account. Now, what will happen next? Now, if you share your affiliate link to anyone, or if somebody comes and asks you for a sponsor code and you give them your sponsor code and they use it, if they activate your account like you've done, you will receive 1,000 Kenyan shillings as commission. And there is no limit to how many times you can receive that, as long as there are people to activate. It means if you share your account to 1,000 people and they do exactly what you have done, you will receive a total payment of 1 million Kenyan shillings. So if you don't know what to do to make your first million Kenyan shillings, now you know it. Now that is for people in Kenya. Flashback to people in Uganda. So if you're from Uganda and your account has already been created and you are inside your account, this is what you're going to do. You are going to click on the button which says pay subscription on the menu, on that green menu. They are going to ask you to type start. So just go at the bottom of that page and type the word start and send. They will give you another option to type 1 for wallet. So just type 1 and send, and they are going to give you a menu with 10 options. Now on that menu, you are simply going to type 2, which represents pay subscription on the menu, and click send. Now they are going to ask you to select the currency. If you're from Kenya, if you are now from Uganda, so just type 1, which represents UGX. UGX stands for Ugandan shillings. So just type 1 and click send. And they are going to ask you to select the payment method. You are going to select option 1 by typing 1, which is mobile. It means you are either going to pay using MTN mobile money or Airtel money. So you type 1 and you click send, and they are going to ask you to enter the mobile phone number which has the 75,000 UGX, which is required for your activation. Now, when you enter that number, starting with a country code, which is 2567, after writing that number and completing the phone number, don't put a plus. When you click send, if that money is available on your phone number, you will see a prompt. If the money is not there, you will see nothing. So ensure that the money is there. When you click send, a prompt will appear. Now approve that subscription payment and your account will be activated immediately. Now what is going to happen after your account is activated? Once your account receives the word active, when you share that affiliate link starting from that very minute, if someone clicks on that link and fills up that form like you did and completes the activation process like you've done, you're going to receive 50,000 Ugandan shillings. But immediately you finish making your account active, you will receive your first commission of 10,000 Ugandan shillings, and you can spend it all immediately, leaving your account at zero balance. So guys, there is a job here for anyone who is ready to work starting from now. And this job does not require any capital because you are not going to use money. No. You are simply going to provide a service and get paid. You are going to provide customer support to people that want to open this account, but they don't have anybody to recommend them. Number 1, they don't know how to do it. Because you know how to do it, since you've done it, you'll be able to give them that support. And once they complete their registration and making their account active, you are going to receive 50,000 Ugandan shillings immediately in your account. This is an immediate payment. You don't have to wait for a day or a week. It happens in an instant. Okay? And this has been happening since I opened my account. Now I'm